Happy Easter to all of una way they out there. How una celebrate on our Easter. But first of all, I go like to congratulate. No, thank you to Queen B. She actually give me the rice where she talks that she could give me. Queen B, thank you so much.
You're welcome, sister.
You know, they say when you thank people, you more
receive,
will come.
you get more. Now the scope where they do that, no be saying they really
Okay,
tell
so
us.
you try tell me, say, okay, weekend they come again, make a quick prepare down.
Yes,
exactly.
We shall look into your matter.
It's the scope. All right, today now our motivational Monday, but we stay there inside the spirit of Easter. They show love, and also now time for us to go for penance. As in,
They go Galilee. They go meet our Jesus for Galilee.
So welcome him into our life.
Welcome him. Welcome to Galilee.
All right. On that note, I welcome now come talk today. But not forget, say, you can follow us on Talk Twitter, where be Talk Wazobia. On Talk Facebook, we did the Talk Wazobia. Dash Wazobia TV. And if you want to watch us live, now www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And anywhere where you did for inside the world, if you actually watch us. My name is Remain Uvi Ehikamusoi. And the ladies, them, all in the spirit of Easter, going into don't cover themselves one by each.
Yes, my name is Betiana Unweli, and welcome to Talk.
My name is Namaka Okudia for Happy Easter, everybody.
Well, the chicken white chop yesterday, no be here. You even get luck say you see chop. Because the plan is not to go outside, but hey, I have to do this for a sister. All right, Nadia, my own name still remain Queen B or Balu.
Abalo.
All right, so that soundtrack, you know, say every Monday we do like Sunshine you with motivational video. But just watch this video. It will either motivate you or inspire you. Any which way, it must move you.
Yes,
or you go do it too.
Or you go do it too. Will they come back? Say never. As in,
this
now,
is the exact
as
boost
in,
when to actually start my week. You know, funny enough, this is not a story where we say, and I know things I don't ever really talk about. This particular motivational video take me back to some struggling years of my life, especially when I did SS2 to be exact. I always talk and say I failed maths. People they look me say which of you failed maths. I actually failed maths when I did SS2. Will make me repeat SS2 class, and that now, like from that SS2 till I gain admission now, some of the toughest years for my life, because after that repeat, I can't finally graduate. I can't still write jam 2 times. Some people go tell me say yes, they write jam 5 times, so me I did learn. But those 2 years, I tell you, it frustrates me a lot, because at that particular time, I separate myself from a lot of friends and colleagues, because by that time, you know, say you go call person, say, how far now? I say, oh, I did university of this, I did university of that. I used to struggle with jam. I don't feel look my mates in the eye, but hey, I did proud. Like the man said, don't give up. I don't care waiting you don't go through. I don't care waiting don't happen. The most important thing, I make you deal with them and make you come out of them. And today I don't come out of them, really.
Yeah.
I did very proud of myself. Sometimes I could just look myself, look my life, look things where they happen, and I could just look say, but you don't try. You never reach there, boy. You don't try. Thinking of where they come from. Oh no.
This one actually revelation time. You don't get one time where person really, as in, you know when person lets you down, and then you just feel, say, the whole world just be on top of your head. And you don't know what to do. Whether, should I give up, make I kill myself? At that point, I even felt like killing myself. I just tell myself, say, oh, as car they come, make I just enter road. Until one day, my sister can't tell me something. Say, do you want to deal with this problem, or you want me the problem just stay with you? Since that day, now I say, you have to tackle this problem. If they get some people, if they just enter one relationship, the thing don't spoil. They could just conclude, say, all men are the same.
Yeah.
Who test?
So
who tell you, may you test all?
You understand?
Who say, when you say all men, you test all?
Who tell you, may you test all of them?
Just from one, you don't already generalize, say all men are the same. Then you will start to keep yourself backwards. Oh, no, keep yourself inside cage. No. I don't need to go into this relationship. This man come my way. No. He's like this, he's like that. You don't judge the person.
Don't they get excuse one by each every minute?
But I know say this video don't actually tell somebody out there.
A lot.
Say that problem where they go through. I know say you never get that job where you want get. I know say you never marry. You don't pass 30 something and you never still marry. I know say money never come. Business where you do money never come. But face that problem. Not let the problem actually.
You know you get one part
consume you.
Where the guy thought say the way you take look am. Now so you go take B.
Yes.
So if you take positive eye look am, that thing will just suddenly turn to positive. You get this belief I always keep for my head, say every disappointment
is a blessing.
Yes. There is something behind that disappointment. You feel never see them now. But trust me, there's an advantage behind it.
Okay.
Like one of the tattoo where Rihanna gets for her shoulder, she said the tattoo say, any failure is always a lesson, not a failure.
Yeah.
It's in every failure, not lesson, not be failure. You must at least learn one thing. Maybe you do something wrong. So maybe when you want to redo them again,
You go
say,
think
oh,
what you do.
I not go do them
This way.
I go do them with another way. So no give up. Keep trying. No matter how you fall, make sure say you rise at how many times you fit.
All right, keep trying no matter what happen. Rise up and be strong. We're going to need to buy a small break. When we come back, we go enter inside the things where they hot today. Not go anywhere. All right, you're welcome back. I hope so you enjoyed that our motivational video where we going to give you before we go on that break, that wonderful break. But time don't reach for us from that motivational video because you get one thing with Queen Bee actually talk. You say some people they actually allow the problem whether they face consume them.
Yes.
So now this particular girl, if like say she don't watch our video. She not let the problem of rejection actually bring her down. Now, this 70-year-old WBC Ban Odell from North Carolina, they say she applied to study for inside Duke University, for inside her home state. And this application, they reject her. They reject her admission into Duke University where they for inside her home state. They say the school admission department sent her letter on top March 26, they tell her, say, she don't fail to make the grade where she supposed to make to enter inside the school. But you know what this particular girl do? After she don't get this rejection letter for them, she refused to take no for an answer. And she do waiting, she can send them another letter of her own, rejecting their own rejection. Now, just give me time to read this letter.
You have all the time.
She can't write.
Take
She
it, sister.
said, Dear Duke University admission, thank you, say you reject my letter of March 26, 2015. After I don't sit down, can't consider all the things we una write. I regret to inform una say, I know they accept una refusal to offer me admission into your school 2015 freshman class for inside Duke University. He said this year, I don't be fortunate enough to receive rejection letter from the best and brightest university for inside this country. With plenty letters where they different and accomplished, he says she can't be unable to accept this particular letter where they don't send give her. He said despite say Duke, she know say they get better name for inside success in rejecting application from students who want to enter the university because they don't meet qualification. He say, I know say una dey reject, but me, I not go accept una rejection. Therefore, Duke University, I go dey attend una 2015 freshman classes with or without your admission letter.
Like round of applause.
strong.
Omura.
Now what she
strong.
Now what she said give Duke University. Now I just want to make we bring in our own experiences. You don't ever get rejection from maybe person or job, or say you want to enter school, and which kind of action you take afterwards? You give up or you continue?
I get rejection. Jump. They no gree me pass. I don't write down. I write down like 3 times. When they say, you know pass, you know haba. Then I manage where I want to enter. I want
manage pass.
She managed pass.
I don't manage. I don't think I even manage pass. I can't thank the Lord. Can't go private university where I can't write their own exam. Pass out. Pass out with flying colors.
Not private now.
They give you rainbow.
They give you rainbow.
Okay.
I can't say wait to why I pass this one, no pass them. Waiting happen. But that one, I just the head that one on one side. Rejection. You don't ever sit down one day. People dey one side, all of you there. You just be like, say, nobody even notice you for there. You talk one thing, they just look you like, say, wait till you talk.
Yes.
Oh no, they don't notice. Because if you
No,
talk, if
they
they notice what you
you.
talk, that means you're important. Maybe
They notice you,
talk?
but
It don't happen to
the
me
thing where
before.
you talk
Yes.
to them,
It not make sense.
it no just makes sense.
Yeah.
Of which at the end of the day, when they can't look at the thing that if you now you go even help them pass. But because it comes from you, they know what they can. I don't enter that situation before, my dear.
How you take up yourself?
That's how I just sit down look. Because for their mind, I be small picking. So why small picking go stand up, talk this kind of thing from mouth? I talk my own, sit down. No. I just sit down, keep face.
But you know how that affects you.
Although when I reach house, my mama first, I don't to my mama straight. But for them, it pain me now. I be human being. Because I be human being, it pain me. Although I young, but I feel say so now, so that they take people. If they say I don't get that kind of mind, people will not get mind. They will just collapse for them. Feel say they just take them for granted. But when I reach out, I sit down, I cry. I tell my mama, say, see what they do me for where I go. I said, don't worry. What do you do? I said, I just sit down and talk. I say, okay, good. Next time when they see you, then go. When they see, they go take you as yes. This girl know what she they do. I just put my mind that day. After that day, true. When I enter that place again, Maka, how are you? They come. At that time, they know say I did there.
So what do you do? To make your presence known.
When I talk finish, I just sit down, keep my face straight. I mean waiting I talk. And I go, so no matter how they ignore me, at the end of the day, waiting I talk still come make sense. Yes.
First of all, I go applaud this girl courage and everything because you know easy for you to say okay school rejects you, one reject. Be like me person write for inside Nigeria say they write to JAMB, say JAMB I don't actually fail, so therefore I they resume for university or so and so.
But you know so the university will send you acceptance letter.
Yes.
And that's how they talk.
So no, na the university no be JAMB na the university.
No. That one they write letter direct to JAMB. This one you write JAMB. Now our system be that you write JAMB. If JAMB can't send you results, you can't send JAMB back. Say no, actually I know it's not score myself, so therefore I get 278, and they actually resume.
No, you score for.
But based on what Amaka talk, I don't actually suffer rejection like 2 different times for my life. One I've still for secondary school. When I did secondary school, I did very. It is I small, I big. I did very small and timid.
Just a pointer. I get person with Sabi Betana. She said she's tiny. Actually,
yes, I did very tiny when I did secondary school, and I did very timid because I did small. Most people from my class then they did bigger than me. You can see person like Queen B. And then you go see me as, like, divide me by 2 now. Okay. Half of me. That's what I be for secondary school that time. So a person like me, they talk, waiting I want talk. At least now, waiting I think then. So I did very timid. If my mate talk, I go just coward out of the situation. And because of that, make I no lie give you many nights for secondary school, then at boarding school, I did cry sleep. Because sometimes I go look and say, okay, I actually know say I be better person, but why be say I know if you stand up to some certain people, no be like
I know that feeling.
I get person. My senior, Freda Bernard, she even there on top Twitter, Freda something on top Twitter, I don't forget her name. Then, because of that timidness and smallness, you get one day where she give me flask. So make I carry, go her hostel. And I forget her for inside class. Before I go back for night, go carry her, the thing don't break. You know, say this girl frustrate my life for 2 weeks. She go come every night, she go bring me out, she go beat me. Those way go my secondary school, then you know what they talk about or boarding school at all. She go bring me out for middle of night, I go kneel down, raise my hand. Middle of night when my mates they sleep, she go break hanger because now hanger then take flog to juniors for my school that time. She go break like 5 hanger for my body. Oh yeah, make I buy you flash. Say no, now that her particular flash you want. When you see wickedness of the highest order. So that's not one of the many things why I face on top rejection for secondary school. But at the end of the day, hello, I came out stronger. And then before I get this job, I get one of the TV stations for inside Lekki where I go. I know say I did okay, but I want to say, you know things where they happen for inside the industry some kind of times. Maybe say they feature you signal. If you don't pick the signal, then go just drop it. I know talk past like that.
Maybe your antenna no catch.
Antenna no catch. The person can't look me for face. Actually, no be say you know they're good, but no be your type with they find for here. I can't smile. That one I know even vex. I never pay. I just look at my smile. In my mind I say, "Now you're lost." I smile, give myself, okay, no problem. In my mind I say, "You go find me for future. You go find me." So really, when you don't know who you be, you know what thing you fit give out. You know what thing you they capable of. When they reject, like this girl, she not say if she go to that school, maybe at the end of the day, now she go make them proud. Yes. Because if you do something out of the extraordinary, we go make the school more known in the community. So when you know yourself, rejection will be something very small, minor things.
Yeah. I actually don't really get anything like rejection. Maybe problem. Our fit talks is something where they face and they wonder how I will take solve them. And at the end of the day, they say, like that motivational video, they say, how you take Siam, now make them look big. Actually go through them and not let the bigness of the situation overwhelm me. Because so many questions from my head. How I want to handle them, how I want to fix them, what will happen tomorrow. But you know what? that same moment where they think I dey take 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. That's I dey fear tomorrow, and I dey enter the tomorrow. I know, like, you don't understand now. Okay, hey, God. Like, for example, what I want you tomorrow in the afternoon now. Meanwhile, 8 o'clock don't reach for night. You go sleep, you go wake up, you go reach that time, and you go eventually find something, eat like that. To me, now, like, process. No matter how the problem big, no matter how the rejection be, now process, because in midst of that rejection or the problem, solution dey inside that thing. Because the problem itself gets solution. That's why it be problem.
You never bring your eye down to see the solution.
For me, then, when I did school, yes, the kind explanation Obona give, I actually go through them, but this one in a different way. Now, when I did school, you get some kind people where them now the people where they know for school.
Yes,
I feelers from my secondary school. Feelers.
Baby's girls.
And me, I did part of the girls say not know anything.
You know, be feeler.
I'm not the part of the feelers.
You be
but you know what they do? Some other girls, they actually, when they come, some other girls, they actually go hide. But me, now they find my own trouble. I don't talk at once so far. Now then they find my own trouble. As they go come with their makeup and everything, secondary school, I go just say, F fire. I like me. I don't like fights. Okay. But my mouth, I say F fire. Just carry makeup all over your face. Hey, you, all of people will fail. They'll just tell me, you know what? All those big girls, don't they want to allow? They'll just say, after school, let's meet. But me, I don't wait for the ring bells. I don't wait for the ring bells. I don't run. My school day for inside my estate. So you know how Tripoli now.
You don't back your book for back.
Excuse me, I don't run. So I don't really allow them. I don't let them intimidate me at all. I don't let them. But now people where they actually one day the same level where I did. These are people where before they think they're too high. Secondly, when I come inside Lagos, when I did Edo State, I would watch a Nigerian Idol. I would say, no, Project Fame or one of them. I would say, I want to go and contest. I want to.
Why you not going to go?
Excuse me, wait, let me finish my story. So when I come,
I'm like, I want to make you come Lagos.
Make me come Lagos. But when I come to my younger sister and say, PF is coming. I want to register for it. She said, okay, register if you want to sing. I said, "We can you sing?" I said, yes, I can sing. I started to sing for them. Then, not necessarily that they laugh me, but I sing for them. They say, okay, go and do. I go online, I register, I do everything. That day, they call me, okay, come and do this thing. I finish my turn. Now I enter inside, now I sing the song I want to sing. And they tell me, sorry, this is not your time. And my younger sister follow me. When I come outside,
she will laugh you.
Once I got to what's happened, I said, let's go.
I feel imagine now.
I'm not talking. I think
I don't feel go any reality I don't go feed.
Let's go. I call the person they not do relay. I was rejection. But you know what? I make fun out of my rejection. Because I know say I just want to try them out.
Which year you go do this thing?
As in, I want
you want to look for 2000? No, not look for them.
No, by that time they never put them for.
Who says so?
No, it did. It did because I was monitoring it to make sure that they don't show me.
Okay, so what year? Which year be?
Don't worry, not 2009. Now
that means no day there, no day there.
And for Ikeja, one
if you know
studio
they there.
But like, if you know the internet, I'll go to the office.
Hey, I
we'll go tell them.
Now with you, now go sing.
You don't even respect
you
yourself.
You don't even try. That one for you.
You sing the
and
band,
I
you don't
always
sing
love
the
you
band,
that
you
you
don't sing
sing,
Wizkid now with new skin.
No. That time Wizkid never strong. What's it with this girl?
I always love you. She don't sing.
Zara, Bizai, that lady where they always.
Ara?
No, where they plait hair like that Nigerian girl. Okay. Now we're streaming.
Oh my goodness. But you know what? They actually make fun out of my rejection.
At
I don't
least
let
you
them
try.
weigh me down. Yeah, I don't let them weigh me down. Say, oh, I don't go embarrass myself. I just keep on moving forward.
But see the beauty about what you do. You not gonna think to say I do.
No,
you don't do
I
it.
did
You don't
it.
pass
I did it.
Yes. No, and she don't know say she knows Sabi sing.
Shut up.
We get choir.
Yeah, she can sing in the choir, but not.
Choir singing, they're different from
Thank you. You can
She
lip
fit
sing.
sing under
Where
the
the people they
canopy
sing,
of others.
the main song they sing.
Is
Okay.
Okay, you know
But the thing is, not allow rejection reject you. I beg.
Oh, yes.
Not allow reject you at all.
At all, at all.
All right. Last week we talked about Evina Ibru.
Okay.
Where come outside talk say she not ready to get married because if man cheat is okay, but if woman cheats now wahala,
Now,
especially the Yoruba men say their own they cheat well. And we can't when we talk about her, we can't no say problem day where we say people know they regard marriage anymore.
Yes.
Big problem day. And we go to try with the best way we fit do to bring out some kind things then where if you make marriages work. So now 8 assumption where people they carry them enter inside marriage.
All right, conscious.
8 assumption that they think 8 thinking for their mind where people they get where they make them enter inside marriage. Number 1, that they believe say marriage will make them live happily ever after.
Storyland.
Say every day they go they very, very happy.
Oh, few. Oh, few. How now?
Na storyland.
No, but basically that particular assumption. Now because of the movies when they watch, you watch a Igbo film,
And they
when
live happily ever after.
even for the children's section, the cartoons too.
Happily ever after.
Our Naija film.
Happily ever after.
They
To
don't
God
ever
be the
tell.
glory.
Thank you. They don't ever tell us the truth about what's in the happen. They're not going to tell you. They're not going to show you when Baba Bomboy and Iyabeji when they fight where you say food no dey the house and they actually separate for 3 months before they can't actually reason. They're not going to show you all those ones. And now one of the reasons for that.
Happily
So
ever after.
I'm not sure say it did all right to even think about and say, oh, yes, okay, when I marry, because they bring una up for different homes, different families, different culture, different background, different religion. There's no way we go this sweet ever after. You don't think they talk say marriage no be bed of roses. Yes, now the word be that.
Yes.
No think say because the man don't come marry, say everything go simple like that. No, if you cook okra soup and he decide to come and say sorry, okra soup no hungry me, and you go they look and say, that time I always take slice the okra. Sorry, cook up well.
And so people don't forget say happily to when you marry, people they change.
Yeah.
When you enter the marriage, the man fits maybe at least 2 years, maybe just may I make am long small. 2 years, if it day like this. If on the next year, that's water where they put inside a plastic cup. If you know the drink am again, go tell you say, no, how you go give me plastic cup, take drink water, put her inside a glass cup. It don't change you. You don't expect say all of a sudden, you know.
Yeah, not true actually. But we're going to need to pass a small break. When we come back, we will give you other points on top why people they go into marriage, the kind wrong thinking where they get, where they carry enter inside marriage. We come back.